mistake number 2 that I've seen people doing is overlooking keywords, and that is saying, I'm not interested in what is called ATS game. Do you know what is ATS? ATS is application tracking system. And let me explain how the ATS work. Most companies nowadays are using the ATS system to help them in easing the recruitment process. Yeah. Let me just come closer here. I'll explain this diagram in a short while. So I don't know how many of you have tried to apply for a job and you are taken to their website or their career portal and you have to attach your CV, fill in some questions, and then submit. You are no longer just sending it directly through email. Most of the time, that career portal is using ATS. And ATS, as I've said, it stands for Application Tracking System. So basically what the application tracking system does, number one, it collects all the applications. If you're here with me for the last training, I talked about for a job opening, on average, it will receive about 450 applications. These are a lot of documents to go through. And so to make the work easier, they put it on a software, and this software is able to, you can view the CVs. So the manager or the person who is the admin is able to view the CVs, and then to eliminate a bigger chunk of the CVs of people who are not qualified for that job, they use what we call keywords. So they will filter the CV using certain keywords. So if we are looking for someone to come in and do, for example, accounting for us, there are certain keywords that we need to have. Something like maybe auditing, preparing books, bookkeeping, or budgeting and financial reports. And if your CV does not have these keywords, then it is kicked out. So the ATS will rank those CVs, and instead of a HR or a recruiter going through 150 CVs or 450 CVs, they will just rank and say, let me take a look at the top 10 CVs. And then probably those are the people who are called for an interview. So do not really not assume or ignore the ATS, because that is what can be the key to your next position. So the solution for this is for you to make sure you have keywords, action words, and power words in your CV. Keywords are based on the position that you are applying for or that field. Is it engineering? Is it IT? Is it teaching? Is it customer service? Is it business management? Action words are words that show you are capable. I have the ability to. They show action, not just you're passive. And the power words, I'll talk about the power words shortly. Now, here are examples of leadership keywords for a leadership position. So when you're looking for a position in leadership, probably the kind of keywords they will use to filter the CV will be words like leadership, management, teamwork, communication, problem solving, decision making, innovation, strategy, vision, results. These are just examples. So if you are looking for a leadership position, do you have these words in your CV? So that will really help you to stand out, because if again you don't have these words, you're not going to make it. Another example here, power words. Power words really show your capability. So if you're writing a CV, use power words to show your leadership. Something like the word like achieved, advocated, coached, collaborated, communicated, delegated, directed, empowered, envisioned, facilitated, influenced, initiated, motivated. These words, won, transformed. These are words that will be used to rank your CV. So do you have some of these words if you're looking for a leadership position? I have done an article called The Power Words That You Need to Have in Your CV. I'm going to link it in this video, or just go to our website, that is Career Point Solutions. Just search Power Words. You will see the whole article, and it's where you will see all these lists. I've actually done lists of different power words, keywords, action words, and I've also given examples on how it can appear on your CV, because you're not just listing and putting them in a bullet point. It should be part of the communication that you have in your CV. So hopefully that will be helpful. I'll drop that link and you can be able to get it.